This How to 1 Minute will show you how to download all files from Cpanel File Manager or how to backup your Cpanel File Manager. First of all, log into your Cpanel and navigate to File Manager and open it. Once you are in your File Manager, now click any of the file and now click on Select All. And now you can deselect any file or folder by pressing the Control button and click on the file that you want to deselect. And now we have to compress these files. So click on Compress and select compression type. Click on Compress Files, and it may take some time to archive or compress. Once done, click on Close and reload the folder or page. And as you can see, my compressed file. Now select it and click on Download. Once it's downloaded, you can extract the zip file to get all files from your Cpanel File Manager. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.